Hello, my name is Koen. I would like to show you the BlenderBIM spreadsheet add-on. It's an add-on for BlenderBIM, so you have to need to install BlenderBIM first before this add-on can be used. What this add-on does, it exports IFC data to a spreadsheet, either XLX or ODS. So I'll give you a quick demo. Let's say here are the checkboxes. You can check what you would like to export to XLX. And there's a custom properties uh, definition which you also can use to export your properties to XLX or ODS. Now let's see. For now, forget all the basic quantities. Let's export the general properties to XLX. Sorry, my previous export. So you write. It's now writing the IFC data to XLX. Now we can filter with the spreadsheet program. For example, say load bearing and the level for IFC building story. Now we have all the structural items on the foundation and we can filter it in Blender. So here you have all the foundation and then you can, obviously you can start adding what you would like to see. So the ground floor, for example. And when you export to XLX ODS, it will automatically write a file to the same location where your IFC file is. To access it, you can use this button, hold Alt, it will open the browser where it's located, and if you hold Shift, it will open the file. So if I will close the Excel file for this example, and hold Shift, click this folder icon, it opens the Excel file again with the save selection. That's the option to make a filtering from a spreadsheet. And there's another option for open document. It's this, write IFC data to ODS. And I click that button. And it will overwrite this XLX in the filter IFC elements. So this is there can only be one spreadsheet loaded, and it's always going to be loaded in here. So here with the XLX, here I can't apply a filter yet. This is the other feature to be developed. And that's, if you want to show everything again, you can just unhide IFC elements and everything will appear again. Well, so far the demo.